And if you already had a gasket on here, you would just go off and peel that off. You could use a putty knife, you could use a razor blade, however you want to get that off. Be safe, do not cut yourself. Just get that off of here, right? Now, once that's off of here, you have the adhesive that's left over. One of the great ways to get the adhesive off is just a little bit of WD-40 and paper towel, and you can just wipe that down, get that adhesive off of here, okay? Then once that adhesive is off of there, you can take just a little bit of sandpaper. This is just 120 grit sandpaper. You can go ahead and just go around the edge, just give this a little roughing. Help clean that up a little bit more. And then we're gonna take paper towel. We're gonna take a little bit of isopropyl alcohol. This is 70%, 80, 90, doesn't matter, be fine. You're gonna take that, you're gonna get that dust off of there, any of the residual oil from the WD-40. Wanna make sure it's a nice, clean, oil-free surface. We're gonna give that just a second to dry. And we're going to take our gasket material. Now I like to just go ahead and let that drape down. I like to take the backer and just go ahead and peel that back. Now what I'll do is with my right hand, I'll go ahead and start over here. With my left hand, I'll lift it up high so it doesn't get contaminated or touch anything, all right? Now I start about in the center, and I use my fingers, and I don't want to stretch the material. I'm just guiding it to the shape, and I'm kind of pressing it down as I go. I'm just kind of letting it fall, and I'm guiding it and kind of just pressing it down as I go. Okay, it's getting a little bit awkward, so we give it a little turn. And I keep going, just kind of letting it settle down as I just kind of guide it. Give it a very light press as I'm going around. Okay. Just working it around that edge, trying to stay flush to the edge on the inside. We're going to go ahead and form it to that little nib there. Okay, now we're at the very end there, right? What we want to do, we're going to leave that off to the side for a second. What we want to do with this now is take a little bit of the backer, and we have the shiny side, the side that doesn't stick, right? And we're going to take the backing material and a razor knife, and we're going to put the backing material over the top of where we started, all right? We're going to go ahead and sandwich that with our ending piece, just like that. Now we're going to take our razor knife and we're going to go right down across all of it in one clean cut. Give it a little wedge back and forward. Lift this up, take out that waste piece, remove the excess backer, and now you have a perfect joint right there, all right? Now that we've done that, we're going to press every single inch of this gasket. It's pressure sensitive adhesive, so it has to be pressed down in order for it to get a good bond. And there you go.